mystery box. So what's inside? What's inside?
What's inside the box?
What's inside the box? It's nothing.
Let's find out what's inside.
What's in there?
What's inside the box?
It's a ball.
Let's find out.
I have a ball.
Wow, look at all that ball.
She has one too.
Alessia has lots of ball too? Wow.
I have a small ball, but that's okay.
Let's see what colors they are.
I have blue, red, yellow, green, yellow, and another blue.
You want to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 balls.
Red,
Red, more red, and blue, and yellow, and green.
I'll count first. Red, orange.
That's not an orange.
red, blue, yellow, purple. I did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Purple, yellow, brown, yellow, green, blue, red.
Oh, Alessia! Hey! Hey!
What's inside?
We're inside the box. I can do it.
I can do it faster.
You can do it faster.
Look at funny balls. Pink, brown, blue, green, purple, red. Ow. Listen. Ow, it's sticky. Ow. What is this happening? Ow. If you like our video, please subscribe.